The emu is Australia's tallest native bird, and the second worldwide after the ostrich, can reach near 2 meters, weighing around 50 kilograms. They may be flightless, but by golly they can run. With their powerful legs, emus can reach speeds of 50 kilometers per hour. The main habitats of the emu are sclerophyll forest and savanna woodland, very common on the outback. Breed in winter, and the chicks, named stripies, are reared by the male from the incubation. That is the only social behavior that can be observed. Sometimes they can be seen in big numbers drinking in ponds, individually. Emus eat fruits, seeds, growing shoots of plants, insects, other small animals. Here picking flowers on trees. The emu is found only in Australia, and is immortalized on the coat of arms together with the kangaroo.